Well, as readers put the finishing touches on their turkey, Tribune Company, EW Scripps, and other newspaper companies have been making preparations of their own. They're raising their prices on Thanksgiving Day. Many newspapers will be charging Sunday prices for Thursday editions. This idea is to take advantage of bargain hunters getting ready to shop on Black Friday. So let's bring in Bloomberg's Greg Bensinger, for more on this story. So how many newspapers are actually doing this?
Well, the estimate is this year is more than a third of all U.S. newspapers are doing this. And that's up from previous years, and they expect that to continue to grow. It's a great revenue potential for newspapers. And there's really no reason not to do it. If people want these coupons, that's the way to get it.
I was going to say, it's all about coupons, isn't it? That's kind of the rationale behind charging a higher price, even though it's a weekday paper.
Sure. Well, and also there are more expensive printing costs because they beef up the newspaper itself. So they can justify it a bit by saying, well, this is a heftier newspaper, heftier coupons. Deal with it. Pay for it if you want it. And you can plan your whole shopping season based on the Thanksgiving Day edition.
Well, I was curious about this when I heard about this, because traditionally people were more willing to spend more money for the Sunday paper just to get the coupons. I mean, some people buying the paper just to clip coupons. In this day and age, when so many coupons are on the internet, that phenomenon though still exists.
Sure. Well, you'd be surprised that a lot of the readers of the old school newspapers are old school themselves. They're older than you and I, and they like to get it and feel it in their hands and touch it and take it to the store and clip it, and you'll never replace that with the internet. So there's a core of readers that will always be willing to pay for this, and they're banking on it again this year, and they'll continue to bank on it, I understand, in the years to come.
Well, that's what I'm curious about too. Going forward, this trend going to continue? I mean, what about if you're a subscriber? Is your fee going to be bumped up a little bit on Thanksgiving week?
Yeah. Well, in fact, some subscribers already will see that this year, and publishers are telling me that they'll be doing more of that. In fact, some subscribers who don't receive the newspaper on Thursday will be charged anyways. They just have to get it. So you'll get a $1 or $2 fee just for that Thanksgiving Day edition.
Have you got any indication as to what's going to be the heaviest advertising? I mean, is it going to be apparel? Is it going to be electronics? What kind of mix are we going to see?
Well, I think they're hoping for a hefty mix. I'm not sure what the percentages will be, but they're always banking on retailers, Macy's and Bloomingdale's and places like that. And those are the things that you can take in. And also electronics are a big seller in post-Thanksgiving sales. So you can take in your 10% off coupon and present it at Best Buy or something.
Okay, Greg Bensinger, thanks a lot. We'll be there at 6 a.m. on Friday morning, right? Yeah, right.